Microsoft uses OpenAI's GPT-3 to create apps using natural language. Following Microsoft's exclusive licensing to OpenAI GPT-3 in September earlier last year, Microsoft has revealed the first practical use for the language model at Build 2021 today. The Redmond giant has employed it in PowerFX, the company's low-code programming language, to convert text into code. PowerFX powered by GPT-3. For the uninitiated, PowerFX is Microsoft's open-source language for low-code based on Microsoft Excel. It's not entirely new as Microsoft announced PowerFX earlier this year. What's new is the GPT-3 integration for natural language transformation to PowerFX code. PowerFX, part of Microsoft Power Apps, will make it possible for budding developers to use conversational language for programming. GPT-3 will help transform the natural language into a formula that PowerFX understands. For example, users can just use a command like show 10 orders that have stroller in the product name and sort by purchase date with newest on the top, and GPT-3 will automatically convert it to a PowerFX formula such as first end, sort, search, BC orders. Stroller, AIB_ product name, purchase date, descending. Using an advanced AI model like this can help our low-code tools become even more widely available to an even bigger audience by truly becoming what we call no-code, said Charles Lamanna, Corporate VP for Microsoft's low-code application platform. Another feature coming to Power Apps is programming by examples, PBE, using program synthesis using examples, PROS. With this, Microsoft says that users can create scripts from input-output examples. As a result, instead of using a complex formula, you can just add an example to program the model. Microsoft says GPT-3 integration on PowerFX will be first available in preview. It is coming to English users in North America by the end of June. There's no word on wider availability in other regions just yet.